Hi all and welcome to my class channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align the Arabic alphabets with the English ones. But before we start, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for any future video. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. As you may know, in the Arabic alphabet there are 28 letters, where on the other side in English there are only 26, meaning that I can't really completely link the 28 alphabets within the 26 English alphabet letters. It is simply that there is just letters in the Arabic version which cannot be equivalent to the English ones. In this case, I'm sorry to tell you that, but it's just that you have to learn a few of them by heart, not all. So our first letter is the letter Alif. Alif looking like this. Now this letter is more close to a double A sound, a sound, more of like equivalent to the word fair, fair. The A in Alif pronunciation, it is related to Alif, fair. As our second letter is ba, ba for B and B for big, ba, big. Our third letter is the letter ta. Ta, it is aligned with the alphabet T for tall, tall, ta, tall. Ta, tha comes in the tha for th, th, next to each other. More of a like the, but try to sound like the, the. Jim for J, but for the word more of like measurement, measurement. Try to make it as a j, measurement. Ha, ha is more of related to the letter H, but being honest with you, it cannot be aligned or equivalent to any word in English, so it would be equivalent to null. You just have to memorize ha for h, like this. That's all. Kha, kha for k, h, I could say, and the word that is being equivalent to the word loch. Loch, it is in Scottish, it means lake. Loch. It just can't be aligned with another word in English. I mean, it doesn't exist in English. The letter dal, dal for D, D for dam, dam, like damn it, dal. Dal, dal for DH, try to pronounce then, dal. Ra, ra is related to the letter R, but it is equivalent more of the word roar, roar. Like try to roar, rolling the R, roll. Moving on to Zai, Zai for the letter Z, but try to say zebra and not zebra, zebra. Scene, scene for S, S for screen, screen. Sheen, sheen, sheen sound more of like sh again, and related to the word should, should, sheen. Sad, sad, I can't really relate it much to the letter S, but I'm just gonna put the letter S, and to be honest, it has no equivalent letter to it. And the same story to the letter dad, dad, I'm gonna say D, but again, no equivalent word to it. Our second letter, it is ta and not a ta, ta. It looking like a ta, but it is not. Please don't confuse yourself with it. The alphabet that is more of a related to the letter ta is T, but again, there is no equivalent word that has the same pronunciation as the letter ta. And again, same story happens with the letter ta, va. Sad, da, ta, va are just a complicated letter. Just be aware of it. They aren't easy. And the good thing about them, they are rare, like they are very used in Arabic. So lab, la is more related to the letter D and H, but again, no equivalent word to it. Another word letter, عين, عين, not ein, عين, and there is no equivalent word to it. عين. غين, غين for GH, no equivalent word to it in English, not even in any language. غين. غين sounds like غ, غ, غين. فا, fa, similar to the alphabet if you pronounce the word flower as flower, flower, it would be correct. But I know you guys say flower and not flower. Letter qaf, qaf and not kaf. Alphabet Q would be more close to the letter qaf, but I can't really tell you Q for queen, since we say queen and not queen. If you say queen, then it's gonna be right, but no, it is a queen. Kaf, kaf for the letter K, K for kitten, ka, kitten. Lamb, lamb for the letter L, and lamb for lamb, lamb. Meme, meme for M, meme for mall, mall. Noon for N, noon also related to the word as no, N for no, noon for no. Ha, ha for H, ha for heel, heel. Wow, wow for W, or we could say double U, like to use W. And the words that are equivalent to it, the word wow, you could also pronounce it, it's there in the word wild, word, there is a wow. And lastly, the letter ya. Ya is related to the alphabet Y and a double I together, more of like sounding the word yelling, yelling, the ya in the word yelling. In summary, the letter ha, صاد, ضاد, طاء, ظاء, عين, غين, and qaf has no equivalent word to the English version. So guys, you must memorize the sounding by heart and only these letters that are kind of away from English. And that was all for today. Please make sure guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't been a subscriber already. Give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. Thank you all and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye. مع السلامة.